Hey there, I just wanted to make you this quick cons and review of the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Pro Max. Like, what are the cons that you need to know if you're thinking about buying it? Now, the first thing is that it has only IPX4 rating. That means that if you want to ride on it on Sahara, or you're from the Dubai where you have a sand, or let's say this is not a dust resistance, so it's protecting against water, but that's it. Now, this is the really important thing. The second thing is that the charging time. This is going to be insane, but you have charging time approximately 9 hours. And this is a lot. So 9 hours, just be aware of it. The third con, the travel range is like 60 kilometers, but when I looked also on what other people reported, it just doesn't get the 60 kilometers. And the last thing is the heavy to carry around. So when we're gonna look here, it got 21 kilos. I'm not kidding, 21 kilos. Like, I'm telling you right now, like, when I go to gym, and to hold 21 kilos is not fun. Like it's not fun. So I just wanted to share it is that the product weight 21 kilos is insane a little bit, but still the battery life should be like on another level, and you're gonna have like built-in battery there. That's why we have possible like the 60 kilometers. But the thing is that you don't even know if you're gonna get those 60 kilometers out of the battery. And the 9 hours and the IPX4, I don't know if it's worth it. Yes, you have insane max motor power, good tires, braking too, but just be aware of these 4 cons that if you want to buy. So thank you very much. I hope this video helped you at least a little bit, and have a great day, and goodbye.